This is the first of a video series on using National Geographic Mapmaker Interactive. In this video, we introduce you to this open source online GIS program. These videos were made possible by AmericaView, Virginia View, the Virginia Cooperative Extension, Colorado Mesa University, and Virginia Tech's College of Natural Resources and Environment. Funding for this project was provided by the United States Geological Survey under grant number G14AP00002. The contents of this video and the related written tutorial are solely the responsibility of the authors and do not represent the official views of the U.S. Geological Survey. Mention of trade names or commercial products does not constitute their endorsement by the United States government. This video series accompanies Chapter 1 in a written tutorial titled Exploring Our Planet with Open Source Software. You can find the written tutorial at virginiaview.cnre.vt.edu/education or at americaview.org/exploringourplanet. National Geographic Mapmaker Interactive is an online mapping program. It is designed for educational purposes. You can find this program at mapmaker.nationalgeographic.org. We recommend that you use Chrome as a web browser for this program, as some features do not work well in Firefox or Internet Explorer. National Geographic Mapmaker Interactive is easy to use, and maps can be customized to a specific region and for specific themes or stories. Students who are technologically savvy can master this mapping program in under 1/2 hour. For those students who are not technologically savvy, the help videos can be played over and over again for clarification. We will cover the help videos in more detail in subsequent videos. When you first open the program, you will get the Getting Started window. We do not recommend you check the box at the bottom of this window that says "Don't show this message again," because this is how the National Geographic communicates changes to the online program. We recommend that you read this window each time you enter the online program. You can page through this window and see different messages related to different themes by clicking on the blue arrows on either side of the window. We're showing you one of those inside of the black circle. Or, in addition, you can click on the open circles at the bottom of the window, as you can see within the black oval, and you can page through additional information. For example, we clicked on the next open circle and received this information about saving maps. You can page through each one to see if there's any updates. They do not give you specific details on how to accomplish each task, but just tells you about the features of the program. Okay, go ahead and click on the X in the upper right of this dialog box, and it will close and bring you to a map document. First, let us note that National Geographic Mapmaker Interactive is powered by Esri. Esri is the world's leading producer of GIS software, and you can see the Esri logo in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Let's first talk about navigating within National Geographic Mapmaker Interactive. You can see on the left side of your computer screen is a set of tools. The top tool in this toolbar is a plus sign. This zooms in. The next tool is a minus sign. This zooms out. But you can also use your mouse wheel for zooming in and out. Forward zooms in and backwards zooms out. But be careful when using the mouse wheel, as the map document is very sensitive. You can pan your left mouse button and just dragging the map around. To zoom to a specific location, in the upper right-hand corner, you see two boxes. One is search and one says location. Don't use the search, use the location box. You type your location name in that box. Once it has been typed, you must then press the enter button on your keyboard in order to zoom to that location. If you just type it and leave it, you won't zoom. You need to be sure to push that enter. Now, National Geographic has provided different base maps and several layers or themes for uploading into the online GIS program. In this screenshot, on the left, we show you the base maps that are available. The default is a National Geographic map. Don't worry about finding these right now and what they provide in detail. We are just showing you the possibilities for this video. National Geographic Mapmaker Interactive has themes already available for you to use. This screenshot shows the categories for the layers or themes that are available as of the production of this video. Again, don't worry about finding these right now. We're just showing you the possibilities for this video. If we click on any one of these themes, in this instance we clicked on food with 11 themes, you find the list of themes for mapping. As you can tell from the screenshot, there's not just one page, but there's 2 pages because there are 11 different food themes. What specifically does a theme cover? The box for each theme has metadata. Metadata is data about data. As you can see in this box, it has an incomplete sentence. Even though supermarkets sell just a handful of, but if you click on the down arrow, which is located under the map, it provides you with more detailed metadata about the theme and what it displays. Even though supermarkets sell just a handful of varieties, there are actually thousands of different kinds of potatoes. You can also add typographical data, video, and image links to the map to produce. We will cover these in subsequent tutorials, but National Geographic Mapmaker also covers these extensively in its help videos. You can create your own maps within National Geographic Mapmaker Interactive, or by doing a search on the web, you can discover that some story maps are already available. For instance, in this screenshot, we show you that a map has already been created with regards to the travels of Odysseus. You do not need a subscription to the National Geographic magazine, nor to the National Geographic Society to use this program. Again, this is just the first in a series of videos accompanying a written tutorial. We will cover additional detail on how to use National Geographic Mapmaker Interactive in subsequent videos. Or if you have any questions with regards to this video or the accompanying written tutorial, please contact Dr. Tammy Parise at Colorado Mesa University or Dr. James Campbell at Virginia Tech. The email addresses are shown on the screen.